sumilip, you can pick their answers, you can copy their answers, and you can say what those mean. Ang ibig sabihin ng pick is, yung contestant ay yung classmate na pupunta dito, pwede mong tingnan yung sagot. Kung hindi ka sure sa sagot mo. Pero hindi mo kinasagot, hindi kilala yung sagot mo. Pwede naman na copy, ibig sabihin ko copyin mo talaga, and pwede namang save. Ibig sabihin, kahit mali ang sagot mo, pag tama sila, save ka pa rin. Ano yung ipaglalaban-laban natin dito ngayon? You will be going to class to win a total of 1,000 pesos.
Wow!
Pero bago yun, you have to answer at least 6 questions to be sure that you can get a top number. Okay? So let's go! Choose one classmate. Siyempre, pag nagkaklase tayo, kailangan natin tumingin sa ating blackboard. Medyo malabo. So Berna, choose your category. Okay. Are you sure? Spelling. Question. Spell the word hippopotamus.